You will not change my mind. I'm here to stay. I'll grind. I'll be the best all time. I will not fade. I'll climb. I'm here to stay, here to play. Got one life and I know what a year can change. My fear to fame, near the same. Got that voice in the back of my ear to say, don't give up, don't hold back, you're not enough. Stay on track, it's been tough. Close the gap, it can suck, that's a fact. But no, I won't slow down. Hold my own right now, in the zone I found. Feel to blow this sound as I grow this crowd. You won't know me now, being known. Call it cloud, better watch the fuck out, yeah. You will not change my mind. I'm here to stay. I'll grind. I'll be the best all time. I will not fade. I'll climb. Coast to coast, spin the roast. Any motherfucker who been thinking he could beat me though, keep him low, sneaking though. I'ma be the one creeping up until I'm meeting foes. Believe me, ho, you don't know all the shit I've been through, never gonna take it slow. Awake to go, now I know the code flowing through my mind just like a wave it goes on. To be the best, must be different than the rest. Must commit to every test, turning no's into a yes. Fuck the haters, second guess, while you know what you do best. Take the risk and take the debt, count the cards and rake the deck, yeah. You will not change my mind. I'm here to stay. I'll grind. I'll be the best all time. I will not fade. I'll climb. Are we gonna play now? Ready for the show? I'm about to take down, you already know. Get the fuck out of my face now, yeah, you gotta go. Man, I'm on the chase now, leave me on my own. I got a chance to break now. I fucking go. Take control of fate now, I control my flow. And I know that I'll be great, how putting on a show. I know that I'ma stay loud, drowning out the noise. The haters always thinking that they could fucking break me. They're better off eating their own words like pastries. Hate me, and you better find some fucking safety. I'm coming in hot like a bad bitch and pasties. They can't save me, no I ain't lazy, no. But society has me going so crazy, yo. Don't blame me, no my mind's hazy, yo. And I'm sick of me feeling this way daily. I'll always live my life till it's over, and I will not forgive those who hold me down. And I will never give up, I'm moving forward. And I will never miss my chance, take it now. And I will always live my life till it's over. And I will never forgive those who hold me down. And I will never give up, I'm moving forward. And I will never miss my chance, take it now. You got one life, so live it right. Keep your friends tight and your family in sight. Never cease to fight for the things you think are right, cause you just might find you control your own mind, eh? You'll be fine, eh? Just take your time, eh? Enjoy the climb, eh? Enjoy the grind, eh? You never really know what's on the other side till you give that shit a try. Know the limit is the sky, eh? Make them take it back, what they said about you. Every time they doubt you.